This is a video demonstration for our 16-channel Hybrid Ultimate Series DVR. I'm going to be showing you what it comes inside the box and some of the features of this DVR. Here, all of our DVRs come with the accessory box in it, and the accessory box you will find it comes with the user's manual and instructional videos, an HDMI cable. It comes with a pigtail for your audio connection. So on the motherboard, on this unit, on the big size units, they have 4 audio inputs, and then you extend the audio inputs with this pigtail. On the back of the DVR, you will see an audio connector label with audio. You see the power cable, remote control. It will come with an Ethernet cable for you to connect this unit to your router, so you can access this DVR from a computer or from anywhere. You will have USB optical mouse for you to access and use the GUI interface. It has a quick start guide, so you can see some of the features that this DVR has and some of the configurations you can do to access your DVR. And finally, we'll have all of your SATA connections for your hard drives, the screws to mount the hard drives, and brackets. You can this type of units, the EL series, the Ultimate series, you can rack mount these units, so you will see the brackets that come with it and the screws. Also, you can put your CD-ROM or DVD burner in it, and these are the brackets with the screws. And I'm going to be showing you how the DVR looks like and some of the ports you will find in it. These DVRs are big units. They come pre-wrapped so they don't get scratched. And I'm showing you here all of the front panel views. This DVR is slightly different in between our EL series. So this is actually a completely new DVR in our line of DVRs. It's a great and powerful unit. This is the front of a DVR. As you see, it looks a little bit different than our EL series and the other Ultimate DVRs. This DVR is special because it actually supports up to 4 megapixel cameras configured in a 1080p or 2 megapixel. You don't see those ports on the back. Everything is done through the network. So just to show you a little bit how the DVR look like, here you will see the compartment to put your DVD burner. You will have the indicator lights right here. You will have some of the buttons so you can access the GUI interface from here. Also, we'll have this knob to change the layout of the view on your screen for your cameras. We'll have a front USB for you to connect a flash drive or your mouse. The power button. Here's the back. As you see, it looks exactly the same as the EL and Ultimate units. This is actually an Ultimate unit, but it's also a hybrid DVR. What it means is it can connect up to 16 analog cameras at D1 at 30 frames per second, D1 resolution at 30 frames per second, but also has an extra 4 channels for you to connect megapixel cameras. And this DVR supports up to 1080p or 2 megapixels with our megapixel cameras we sell. Also, you will see that it has 16 loop outs. You can loop out a particular channel to a TV. You will see here the audio inputs. It will have 4. This DVR support up to 16. And here is where you connect the pigtail that I showed you before. It will have an audio out, so you can connect power speakers to it, so you can hear audio. They have a mic in and mic out. You'll have the terminal connections for your alarm inputs. We'll have a PTZ. You have to take this off so you can see it says A and B. That's for your RS-485 connection. This DVR line series supports up to 3 monitors, which you can use through the video out, through HDMI, or VGA simultaneously. You can use up to 3 monitors simultaneously using those ports. Also, as a tip, you can, if you're using HDMI and you're recording audio, you can run an HDMI to your TV or a monitor that has built-in speakers, and you can basically listen to the audio through the HDMI only. Or if you're not using HDMI, you're using VGA, you can put a power speakers here on where it says audio out, and you can listen to the audio as well. Here you will see also the RJ45 for the Ethernet connection. It has an eSATA connection, so you can put extra drives for backups. Another USB connection, you can put a flash drive for backup as well, or you can use it for your optical USB mouse. It has an RS-232 and also has a spot out. Here you can set up matrix and you can assign certain cameras to rotate to a particular TV. This unit has 8 SATA ports, so it supports up to 8 2TB drives. This unit is very powerful. It has all the features that our other DVRs have, plus you can put up to 4 1080p or 2 megapixels cameras and record real time, and it's a very powerful unit once again, and I hope you like it. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.